Good morning. It's a day later. I finished the cleaning. I unpacked most of the stuff, and I think I've arranged, things the way that I would want them to be for now. So I'm excited to show you what we have so far. Please check that you've subscribed and hit your notifications so that we can go through this journey together. So I'm going to show you around. Let's do that. So our yard, once again, beautiful. And as you enter, I have put in my dining table, which is from the previous apartment. And these dining chairs I got from a place called Decofern, and I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I got the color terracotta, and I love this. I love what I've done here. This is actually a dressing table, but I'm now gonna use it as a console. I just love this. I got these from Mr. Price Home, and these books I got from Shein, and this grass. It's not really grass, it's fabric, but yeah, you get the idea. And then I love these mirrors, the way they're sitting. I spray painted this mirror. It was brown, so I used black spray paint. I think it came out really nice, especially now that it's here with the other mirror. And I love that this mirror is a different sort of shade. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's just so gorgeous. And then here's my baby, even though she's a bit broken, but I think she'll survive. Incredible. Yeah, and then I'm gonna use this as my study desk. I need to get a bookshelf so that I get my things sitting nicely there. And then we go through to the living room. It's still a bit incomplete, but I like the look of it so far. Yeah, how gorgeous is this? So Shein for the book, and then I got the vase from, I think it was from Sheet Street, and then it's the grass again, beautiful. And then over there we've got the other book from Shein, and then I got this calendar thingy from Shein. And then this painting, I can't remember where I got it. I think it was from Jet Home, and then I made this. So I love it. I love how it sits here. It's so nice and beautiful. So that's my TV stand situation. Over here I've got these vases. I think I like them because they match the vases that are in the dining room. Then these two paintings I have to hang up here, and I think I want to put in a standing lamp in addition to these ones. So I want to put it right there in the corner, right there, one of those curved ones. And then this painting under here, I have it because I want to hide the plugging situation here. There's a lot of wires and fiber connections and whatever, so I'm gonna repaint it so that it's the same color as the wall, so that it's not too obvious. And yeah, I don't like wires hanging around my place. And then I've decided to just put this chair and my wine rack over here, so we've got a bit of a wine nook situation happening. I'll see if I keep this. I'm not sure. Okay, and then over on this side is our kitchen. So my appliances over there. That's my pressure cooker and the air fryer. Microwave, I think I want to change it and make it black, you know, so that I have the same type color of appliances. And then that I'm gonna put in some lemons. I think it's gonna go nicely with the chair over there. And then the stove, love that it's black so that it matches these two babies. Toaster and kettle over here. And then these are just the most gorgeous canisters in the history of canisters. It's a matte finish. I picked them up from Sheet Street. Beautiful. And then I think I want to have my coffee machine right here where I've got this plunger. So I'm just gonna, you know, use the plunger for now till I get myself a coffee machine. I got this thing from Shein as well. So Shein is coming through, guys. Fridge situation. And then in this cabinet, it's not really good for groceries, so I put in my bin, brooms and stuff like that. Yeah, so that's the kitchen, y'all. Oh, but this place and that's the guest bathroom. Toilet, nothing really to report yet. I'm still gonna decide how I want to decorate the space. I might put in some wallpaper, make it brighter, and you know, some faux plant, a big faux plant. I don't know, I'm still gonna decide. But yeah, that's the guest bathroom. This is the bedroom for now. So I used this rug, was actually in my previous apartment, in my living room, but I decided that I'm gonna change it. So this one is now here. And then I got this is actually a study desk, but I thought it would be great here as a dressing table. And I'm gonna get a bigger mirror to go with it. So yeah, this is where I keep my makeup. And then our mirror. Got this from a shop called Panda in Mainland. Beautiful. Yeah, and then I just got basic gray, my basic gray bedding. This throw is gorgeous. It's from At Home. And then we have our little ottoman. You always need a chair that's just lying around. This painting was a gift from a friend. That's me, actually. And I think I picked up that from Jet as well. And then a basic lamp from Mr. Price, no, Pep Home. And that from Mr. Price Home, this vase. But I'm gonna change the situation because I actually want to get matching side tables. I think there's enough space for that. You know, matching side tables and matching lamps as well. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I think above the bed, I wanna put in some nice paintings as well. So that's the bedroom, guys. And then the bathroom, I love how this turned out. Yeah. Bathroom set from Panda. So it's the bin, the brush, and the toothbrush situation, and this beautiful hand soap dispenser. And then I got the stickers, these stickers from Shein. So I've got these black bottles also from Pep Home. So I think I like the theme going on here because it's those over here. Shower situation. I'm gonna get a caddy that goes all the way up. I saw it on Take a Lot, so I'm gonna get that. So I'm gonna put in all of these on the caddy as well as the dispensers. Yeah, and I got this eucalyptus from Shein. It's really nice. It looks so realistic. So I like that. I like that. Yeah, and I repainted this. So it was yellow and I spray painted it black. Yeah, so that's the art piece. Is nice. It was in my bedroom in my previous apartment, but you know, I'm gonna use it here now. The mirror is gorgeous, gorgeous. And then my towels go over here, right? So yeah, that was it. Thank you guys. Thank you for staying this long with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, we're home. This is our new home. I am so excited. I'm so excited. This is gonna be such an adventure. And I can't wait. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Yeah, this is home. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.